everybody, welcome back to my channel. Some of y'all probably like, today I will be making a homemade version of Wendy's pumpkin spice Frosty. Yes, y'all. Now I seen a few reviews. It just came out. I didn't taste it, but I had some of the ingredients. Now if you want to, you can use the heavy whipping cream. I couldn't buy it, but I did have ice cream, so it's actually vanilla bean. But yeah, I put like a little bit of stuff in there from what I had previously, so it's looking kind of like butter pecan, y'all. But it don't matter because it's kind of like close to the same color as pumpkin spice, so it should work out. I'm gonna be using sweet potato. I knew to use pumpkin like puree, however, I got sweet potatoes and I'm gonna use that. I'm not gonna use this whole can. But if you just want to use pumpkin, you can. It's kind of like just the same to me. However, I'm gonna be using a little bit of salt. Now I have pumpkin spice. I'm gonna put this inside of my sweet potatoes. So yeah, like I said, it's gonna give pumpkin spice, but the soul version. I had those just in case, but yeah, I'm not gonna have to use it. I'm just gonna use my pumpkin spice, and also have my creamer, my pumpkin spice creamer. That's about, yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna put all the ice cream in here first. Probably like 2 cups probably, but it's not really a measurement, it's just how much you want to make. This what you see in here is just a little bit of something that I was eating, and they had like little like leftover bits, so I put it in the ice cream. So that's what you see right there. Okay, I took my can of sweet potatoes and I drained that, but I put it into another cup. I'm gonna use that for like another video or something, if Lawrence will. But for those who actually want to use sweet potatoes but not the can, like, okay, I don't want the can. If you want to use the fresh one, you can. I'm gonna take some, just put a few in here, add another one, ain't gonna hurt. And I'm just gonna save the rest of it. And I'm just gonna put in some of my pumpkin spice, probably like a tablespoon. And a little bit of salt, probably like a pinch. Teaspoon of this creamer, pumpkin creamer. Okay, now when I tell you these 2 different size beaters, but I don't care. I'm still gonna use it. So I don't know. Oh wait, what's going on now? Maybe it do matter if it's the wrong side. Oh, really? Okay, it's starting to act up. I don't want that too melted. Oh, this little part, I might take it and put it in the blender. Okay, I got all of it in the blender. I'm gonna blend it up except for that real big chunk. I put it to the side for right now. I'm just gonna blend this up, and it got all the sweet potatoes and everything.
A few moments later.
Okay, I don't blend it in. When I tell you this don't make no sense, I'm trying to blend. I'm like, okay, why is it not going? It's my thing broke, so I changed the cord and it started working. So I'm like, really? Just stop it now. Stop with this foolishness. It's blended, so now I'm gonna add in my large chunk in here, and I'm gonna mix it. Now, I know Wendy's don't have this, but I'm going to do this anyways. I'm going to put some cream and then sprinkle it with some more pumpkin spice. You know why I'm always doing this. Love to show up when I'm on camera. Low now. Maybe it's low. It's not low. I just bought it. And I just used it on a few times. Yes, y'all, yes. You see the pumpkin frosty, homemade. I about to taste it, y'all. I know I sprinkled it, but before I even sprinkled it, it smelled like pumpkin, yes. I know we use a spoon, so that's what I'm gonna use. Yeah, this is good. It's just like pumpkin spice, sweet potatoes, which it is. This is so good, y'all. I'm not knocking Wendy's. I'm not telling you not to get it from them, because they gotta get it once too, but you can make this at home. If you don't want to just use regular plain ice cream, you can make it yourself by using heavy whipping cream, like I said. It's a 10 all day, baby.